to use mobile internet in your laptop. Go to Settings, in your mobile phone. In the Settings, click on the option Hotspot and Tethering. It may be found here, or, inside the option, Network and Internet. Click on Hotspot and Tethering. Click Wi-Fi Hotspot. Now, turn this option on. You can change your hotspot name here. And also set your hotspot password, here. Now, close the mobile settings. And turn on Wi-Fi in your laptop. You can turn it on by clicking the FN key, and the function key with network icon, together. Now click on the Wi-Fi icon on the taskbar. And make sure the Wi-Fi back is turned on. Now, you can find your mobile hotspot name here. Click on it. Put checkmark towards this option, if you wish to connect to this hotspot automatically. Click on Connect. Enter here, password of your mobile hotspot. Click on Next. You have done it. Your laptop is connected to internet. I hope this video will help you. Thank you for watching this video by TechB. Please like this video. And let us know your experience with this video by commenting below. Please subscribe this channel for the latest updates. Thank you.